Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread at home without yeast. To begin, understand that yeast-free bread relies on chemical leavening, typically baking powder or a combination of baking soda and an acid. These ingredients react to produce carbon dioxide, creating a light texture. This method is perfect for when you need a quick loaf without the waiting time of traditional yeast breads. It's a straightforward process, making delicious homemade bread accessible to everyone. For your yeast-free bread, you'll need all-purpose flour, which forms the foundation. Baking powder is crucial. It reacts with moisture and heat to produce gas, giving your bread its rise. A liquid, such as milk or water, hydrates the flour and activates the leavening. Don't forget a pinch of salt for flavor and a little sugar, if desired, to enhance browning and taste. These simple components come together beautifully. Once your ingredients are ready, combine all the dry elements in a large bowl, ensuring they are well distributed. Then, gradually incorporate the wet ingredients, mixing gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough texture. Transfer your dough to a prepared baking pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until golden brown and cooked through. A toothpick inserted should come out clean. To customize your yeast-free bread, consider adding various ingredients like fresh herbs, shredded cheese, or dried fruits to the dough before baking. This allows for endless flavor combinations. For the best experience, serve your bread warm, perhaps with a spread of butter, a dollop of jam, or alongside a hearty soup. Any leftover bread can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, maintaining its freshness and taste.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.